Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can display or hide toolbar after admin login on WordPress. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I am going to all post section and I am going to open this test post preview. This is the test post preview. So already I am logged in my website, but when I am visiting this post, that time there has no admin bar showing here. So if you want to make your blog site like this, then you can follow this tutorial. Even after login, if your website display this kind of bar, if you want to make your website like this also, you can watch this tutorial. It will help you to enable or disable this toolbar. But firstly, I want to share my opinion. I think this toolbar enabling help us a lot as a blogger when we are visiting any post. That time if we think we need to edit this post, then simply we can click above edit post option. But if in our website this toolbar is not visible, then we need to go back our website all post section, then we have to search that post here. After that we can click on edit option. So it's your choice. Whatever you love to do, you can do after watching my this tutorial. So as you are seeing right now, when I am giving the preview, that time toolbar is not displaying. So if you want to do this, or if you want to display this toolbar, you have to go your edit profile section, this section. From here you can go for edit profile, and another place you will find the same option. You can go the user option. So click on user and you will find your user here. After that you can click on edit here, or above toolbar right corner there has edit profile option. So from there you can go for edit profile. Right now I am on my profile edit section. After that you will find this option, toolbar, and here has a tick box, show toolbar when viewing the site. If you give tick here, then after login, if you visit any page or any blog post, that time toolbar will be visible on your browser. But if you don't give tick here, then toolbar will not visible. It will be like this. So I am going to tick here and going to save this change, update profile. After that, if I give a refresh, then you see toolbar is visible here. And if you want to disable this toolbar, what I should do? Same, just I have to go the edit profile page and I will untick the show toolbar when viewing site. That option will give untick and update profile. And if I give refresh now, then toolbar again invisible or hidden. So it's very simple tricks. It's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.